Do it again. Do it again. Yes, good girl. Do it again. Do it again, Bella. Cookie. Yes, good girl.
That's what I wanted. I wanted some pets. I wanted some pets.
Yeah. I think that would be good. Look at that. There's a toy. It's a bunny rabbit. Do you like the bunny rabbit? Hmm? There you go. Do you want the toy? Go get it. Oh, looks like a real bunny, but it's not. But it's not. She didn't touch the counter. Nope. Nope. Let me check that out.
Stinky stuff. Good girl.
Good
I
sit.
guess that's a sit. We said that. We didn't even have to say that when we did it, right? Sit. Good sit. Stay.
That's her bag.
Bag.
Oh.
Very good bag. What her story is.
I don't know.
Stay. Stay. No, stay. Stay. Come. Good girl.
She probably will shake, and she might even do a high five. Question is what the signals are for it.
Good girl.
Yes, you're very smart. Yes, you are.
You are smart. Good girl. Down. Very smart. If she was low enough, she would teach us right. Sit. Good girl. Come. Come, Bella. Hush you. Like the bag. So maybe you could do that one more time. Bag.
Bella. Bella. Sit. Good girl. High five. Yes. Good girl. What a smart dog you are.